Okay, so our crazy project is called Loop.coop, and we're a cooperative, and we're sort of exploring strange mashups of 3D and music and live events and whatnot. And our whole kind of startup, it's me and Beth over there at the back with the camera. Hi there. Yeah. And our whole startup is based on Meteor, really. And I've spent about 5 years trying to figure out how to make this thing, and then I found this. I don't know if you guys have seen this. There was like a blog post in April, and then, are you familiar with this one? Kind of crazy 3D.
What is it?
So it's like a voxel painter. It's like one of the core Meteor devs put it together, like when he was an intern or something on a plane. He reckons just a single plane flight. So you're kind of like painting with. Oh well, this is just looking at somebody else's thing, but basically you kind of paint these voxels a bit like Minecraft, but it's a bit like that Blackboard kind of swear board thing that you had earlier on. Yeah, that loads of people can get on this all at once, and that was exactly what we needed, like a interactive, real-time, massively multiplayer 3D space. And so it's straight Meteor, and it's using implementation of the what's it called, X3D library, which, anyone know about that? It's the successor to VRML. And the one that he used for this, that I've just completely ripped off what he's done really, is X3DOM, which is a sort of German, very badly documented JavaScript library. But basically, every block that you can see here is a kind of like a cube element. It's just like HTML, basically. So we have taken that and extended it and built this world. So again, every element you can see here is like provided by Meteor, and as we're moving through the landscape, we start to discover some stuff. So this is potentially a vast landscape, and it's just using sort of standard Mongo queries to find the elements which are close to where you are at the moment, so that your browser only needs to know about 1,000 objects that are near to you. And what we need to do next is be able to see the other players that are in there at the same time. But we've got a little bit of functionality, sort of like soloing a loop, for example. That's the way that works. Yeah, so we've got a bit of web audio in there.
Nice.
And then, yeah, so our next stage is to be able to click this and kind of collect it. And then you go around, collect more stuff, different sounds. We're going to put some cactuses in, kind of like, what would you say, like kind of melodies and things. You've collected enough raw material, you can start to build up your tune, and then you can put that into the landscape here as well. This is all happening sort of in real time. You can see what everybody's doing. You can collect stuff from other people's tunes, so collaborate with them, sort of jam in real time. And then eventually what we want to do down here in the bottom corner is have a sort of download this tune for £1 MP3 button. And the system, which has been tracking everything that anyone's ever done in this space, will know who did what in this tune. So a tune might have 100 different contributors who've worked on it to different degrees. So it's a bit like GitHub in that way. So when that pound gets spent, the system can divide that money up fairly amongst everybody who's made this. So yeah, so that's what that is. If you fancy getting involved, we're looking for collaborators at the moment. Look us up. It's just here, Loop.coop. That's our website. So yeah, come and talk to us.